Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find cheapest flight in Europe. So let's start as a demonstration how to find exactly cheapest flight in Europe and compare other flights. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open any types of browser in laptop screen or smartphone devices and just open Google and type here Ryanair and enter. You can download the application on smartphone, Android and iOS devices, and after entering you open this official website here. So enter the official website here. Currently I am flying, suppose for example Copenhagen to here how many locations the flights are going on, like Belgium, France, Greece. So I select the Czech Republic and then Prague. So I'm traveling now, suppose for example Copenhagen to Prague, and then 28th of March. I select the date, single adult, and then search. Flight charges is very cheap compared to my experience in Europe, like 165 DKK means INR only in 1800 to 2000 in between, in dollar like 12 to 15 dollar only, and euro 12 to 13 euro. It's very cheap. You want buy some cheapest flight, so definitely you select the Ryanair flight and the book your ticket. Same destination I will show you another place, like suppose Copenhagen to Prague flight tariff is in Ryanair very cheapest, like non-stop 300, and a KLM flight tariff is, look at this here, totally changed. This price is a Danish krona, so you just consider like a 1 Danish krona to 10 to 11 INR accordingly. So another different flights also available, but they are charges very high. Like this is a Smart Wings flights is available like 1 hours 20 minutes non-stop, but 1372 krona means accordingly like a 15 to 16,000 INR. And this Ryanair are charges like 120 minutes traveling time, and they are charges in 334 krona means only 5,000 you travel back to back, like I am Copenhagen to Prague and then again Prague to Copenhagen, two-side journey, two-way journey, only 5,000. That one is a very cheap price. You traveling in Europe, so definitely my suggestion, I am spending here a couple of years, so I am traveling as a tourism purpose and traveling purpose. My first preference is a Ryanair. That one is amazing, very cheap prices are available. So you can visit on the Ryanair website and buy very cheapest ticket in European Union or European country and buy cheapest flight in Europe. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.